Hey, what's up, VeChain holder? Today is a very bad day. This is live price predication of VeChain. You just click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for all videos notification. I updating you anyhow any time. So this is the live price predication of last 2 hour. You check here last 2 hour, but this is very bad change. This is very bad change. This is not good change. This is minus 3.96% is going down. This is very bad change. I think this is just a buying time. This is buying time. Okay, if we check it out, the highest change is going good, 0.08. This is not good, but not bad, also not bad. So let's check it out, the last 1 hour result. Okay guys, this is live price prediction. Just subscribe button and press the bell icon for new videos updating notification. Okay, the last hour result is absolutely going bad, so this is why I don't know, but this is just your buying time. I hope they today cross easily $1. You check it out, but what we can say, this is the result of, this is the reality of last 1 hour. So thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe button for latest update. I updating you any hour, any live price predication of any kind, any day, every day. Okay, so thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.